Hello, I'm Pavel Palmazov, a varsity athlete, National Math Olympiad winner, and founder of two different apps.
And I'm Josh Cinto, a varsity athlete and businessman, and we built an app called SportySpot.
SportySpot is an AI-powered app that helps all types of athletes improve their skills, whether it is through staying updated with the current news, finding sport-related places around them, tracking their progress through upcoming events or goals, or asking an AI chatbot about any questions regarding their sport.
A problem that many athletes face is that finding sports related places may be hard, and searching for hours upon hours for a place to be closed or outdated may take an extensive amount of time. It is also hard for many athletes to search for niche sport related places.
To create our application, we used Apple's platform called Xcode. Inside the program, we use Xcode's map kit, Xcode SwiftUI, and two external APIs to design and build SportySpot. MapKit is Apple's developer framework for using interactive maps and location-based features. SwiftUI, on the other hand, is a user interface framework made by Apple to design how users see and interact with the platform. In our opinion, the user interface is the most important part of any app, since even with a good app and a bad interface, the app will still perform bad. Furthermore, we use two API keys. API keys allow users to use other tools inside of a program. The two API keys that we use are for the news and one for the chatbot. To manage all of our code, we committed and pushed all of our changes after every coding session to a private server.
So far, we have reached 7.5 thousand impressions on the App Store, and we have helped about 150 athletes, improving their skills and pushing them towards the best versions of themselves. Furthermore, we have totaled more than 10,000 views on social media. We also update the app every month to ensure our users will always have new features to use to help them get better at their specific sport.
Here is our app demo. When you first open up the app, you're greeted with the News tab. Here you will see recent articles that have been published. If you want to learn more about an article, you can click it and you will see the image, the title of the article, where it came from, a short summary, the date it was published, a link leading to the full article, and a button that allows you to share the article with anyone you would like. On the top right, you will see a question mark, which gives a short introduction on the app. In the next tab, you'll see a map. If you want to find a sport-related place, you can click the search bar on the top and you can search up a sport. If I'm a softball athlete, for example, and I want to find a venue, softball venue near me, I will search up softball and it will show me a bunch of pins that are related to softball. If I click on one of them, I can see details about it. I can open it in Maps and it will usually give a preview of it, but for some of them, there may not be there because Apple has not really gone up and filmed all those areas. Um, but yeah, that's that. Right now, currently, I don't have my location enabled, but if I do, it would show me places near my location, not just around the world. In the Activities tab, you can add events or goals that you have in the future. For example, I already have basketball practice twice in the next week that I've added, and I have a goal of 1,000 push-ups. Let's say I have another basketball practice, and it will be on the 25th of Saturday, let's say at 6:30 p.m. I click add event and it will add it to the list. If I want for notifications to be there, there will be a pop-up that says either allow or don't allow notifications, and it will give you a notification prior to that event or goal happening. If I swipe to the right, I can edit it and change anything I want. If I swipe to the left, I can delete it. I can also rearrange the order if I would like for it to be in a specific order. Now, in the last tab is a chatbot. Here I can ask it any questions I have relating to sports. For example, if I don't know anything about football, I could say, explain the rules of football. I send it and it will respond to me, and I will read and learn about it and hopefully know the rules of football. That's the end. Thank you for watching.